Welcome back, my name is Carrie, and today I'm going to show you one of the coolest looking prefab homes out there. I've been trying to keep track of who's doing what in the prefab home industry for a little over 4 years now, and this is the stuff that keeps me coming back for more. Just wait till you see what we got going on here. The company I'm talking about is called Blend Projects, and they're building some very cool looking prefab homes that I think people are going to be fired up about. Blend Projects is a custom prefab home builder, crafting a look that isn't much like anything else I've seen. They've got a distinct Scandinavian look that they describe as inspired by nature, and they refer to themselves as creative builders for modern living. At Blend Projects, they design, manufacture, and install modern prefabricated homes inspired by nature and built for real life. Right now, they've got a full line of products from saunas to homes, including garden suites, and it's noted that they even get into developments. Developments is something that doesn't really get talked about often, so I'm going to dig into what they're offering here. It says, take any of our cabins and we will help you develop a plan to implement a community featuring multiples of our products, yada yada yada, same quality specs and options as our individual rancher and cabin series, but in bulk. Picture a community fully built out by Blend. I like the idea for a couple different reasons. First things first, these things look awesome, and if I was to build one on a property, it would make sense to have it beside something that also looks awesome. Clearly, I am not a developer, but 5 to 10 of these things in a community would be something that I can get on board with. The only thing better than one Blend is 5 or maybe 10. Unless, of course, you can afford a huge property with no other homes in sight. That might be better. A few of the things that they've got listed to set them apart from some of the other options in the space include an energy efficient building system, the natural aged cedar exterior, and exposed engineered beams and columns, which is my personal favorite feature that they're running. It is. The exposed beams and columns are a standout feature on their interiors. It is such a cool look. As far as creature comforts go, they've got an in-floor radiant heating system, integrated smart home technology, and a full modern kitchen with quartz countertops. Honestly, the list goes on, but those are a few of my favorites to get the ball rolling here. If you want to get your mitts on a home from Blend, they've broken the process down into 4 steps. Keeping it simple, I like that. It says from ground to completion, we're there every step of the way. We make it easy to build your dream space by leading and executing design, permitting, site construction, and assembly entirely. Full service, full confidence. Step 1 is strategize. Step 2 is design. Step 3 is permitting, and step 4 is construction and assembly. Step 4 is where Blend differs from some of the other companies that have been featured on the channel. They're not shipping a fully finished home. From what I understand, they ship prefabricated parts of the home to the job site, then assemble it. There isn't a ton of information available about exactly what that looks like, so I'm going to see if I can track down one that's under construction to get a first-hand look at how it all works. Just before I get into their models, I should mention that they're located in British Columbia, Canada, and that is currently their primary service area, but it was noted in a Dwell article from last year that they have plans to expand to other parts of North America. People are usually the most excited about full-size homes, and I'm going to get to that, but I do want to take a minute or two to talk about their garden suites because it's a hot topic as well. If you're sitting there thinking, wait, what's a garden suite? It's just a churched up name for an ADU or accessory dwelling unit. The idea here is a garden suite is added to a property with an existing home and can be used for a number of different purposes. Some of the most common uses include a short or long-term rental or simply added livable space to a property for multi-generational living. Blend is currently showing 2 garden suites on their website, both of which have a very cool look. The smaller of the 2 is called the 400. As the name suggests, this model is 400 square feet with a front living room and kitchen. At the back of the home, they've placed the bathroom on the left with the sink, toilet, a tub shower, and look at that, a closet with a stacking washer dryer. Beside the bathroom is the bedroom. It has 2 windows and a closet. For anyone out there looking for something with a bit more size, the next size up is called the Model 600. What's interesting about going from the 400 to the 600 is the plan really doesn't change that much. It just gets better. Unless I'm missing something here, the living room and kitchen remain the same size in the bigger model, but the extra space added through the middle improves the functionality. One added feature that I think people are going to be quite excited about is the coat closet at the entrance. It was not included in the 400. The other big change that I like is in the bedroom. With the added size in the 600, they've got enough room to include a workspace in the bedroom. The plan shows a desk in the bedroom, which would be key for someone who works from home or just requires a proper command center to do certain tasks online, like book a flight or send a strongly worded email. I'll do it from my phone in a pinch, but I'm much more comfortable on a big screen. That pretty much sums up the garden suites. Let's have a look at a couple of their larger homes. To get a taste at both ends of the spectrum, I'm going to show one of their smaller homes, and then I'm going to get into something quite large. In their home line, they've broken what they offer down into a Rancher series and a 2-story series. Starting with the Rancher series, the description says, our Rancher style homes reimagine the luxury of single-story living. Built using our proprietary panel system for a beautiful natural aesthetic, plans range from the Rancher 5 to the Rancher 9, each with a pre-designed floor plan that allows us to get creative with all aspects of your home, from function to flow and even furniture. The Rancher 5 has a footprint of 970 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The way they have this plan set up, the main entrance is on the side of the home into a landing that has a coat closet on the left, then a laundry room on the right. Heading into the main part of the home, the first thing you see is the dining room and possibly the kitchen. The main section of the home has the kitchen on the end wall. It's made up of a large island with a sink and dishwasher in front of a wall of cabinets, the pantry, the stove, and the fridge. Heading the other direction, it goes dining area, living area, and then they've got the main bedroom at the end. The main bedroom has a walk-in closet and ensuite. With the bedroom, ensuite, and closet included, it's a total of about 250 square feet. The main bathroom is beside the ensuite in the main section of the home, and the final space is, of course, bedroom 1 at 76 square feet. One of the biggest options currently available from Blend is in their 2-story series. Not a huge surprise there. Under the 2-story section, it says take things to new levels with our 2-story homes. Get it? It goes on to say with more space for an office, a spare bedroom, a studio, or a fitness space, the 2-story makes lifestyle dreams a reality at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction. So far, so good. I definitely like the sounds of that. This model is called the 1800, and it has a total square footage of 1,765 square feet plus an additional 175 square feet of covered deck. The way they have the 1800 set up, the main floor is pretty much all living space with the kitchen, dining room, living room, a mudroom, storage, and an office or den, all located on the ground floor. One item of note that people will be looking for is the laundry. The washer dryer is located in the den right beside the half bath, or powder room as they called it on the floor plan. Unless a homeowner plans to use the den as a bedroom, all of the bedrooms are located upstairs. Access to the second floor is located between the half bath and living area and lands between the bathroom and main bedroom up top. The way the second floor is set up, about half the space is designated to the main bedroom that has a huge walk-in closet and both a shower and tub in the ensuite. The bedrooms are split on either side of the second floor with the bathroom, stairs, and a den in the middle of the plan, so there is a nice bit of separation between the main bedroom and the other two. This plan would be ideal for a family, or even people who just want a little bit of extra elbow room to do whatever it is people do. I don't know. What are people doing? This is usually the point in the video where I get into the pricing. However, unfortunately, they don't have pricing listed on their website. I know. This feels like one that I need to get up into in person for a follow-up. Stand by. Blend Projects is a prefab home builder located in British Columbia with a line of prefab homes that seriously have the look figured out. Their look and style is one of the coolest that I've seen, so I'm going to try and get up in one of these things as soon as possible to go more in depth on exactly what they're doing. As always, I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like prefab home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.